Hello everyone. Duduzile, the daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma, is always misunderstood, or rather catching bullets over her tweets. She recently shared her 2 cents on how she feels about Paul Mashatile, who was elected as deputy president by the ANC delegates at the ANC 55th National Conference in December last year at Nasrec. How it all started, Duduzile tweeted, "Cyril, give other kids, Paul Mashatile, a chance. You are failing dismally." And woo shame, it ended in tears. The tweets told her where to get off. One tweet said, "Tell that to your father. He doesn't want to behave like a former president by giving President Ramaphosa a chance to lead. Your father would rather be chairperson of bogus branch just to be politically relevant. Can the Zuma family stop being bitter and listen to this call?" Another one said, "Did you tell the former president in the 9 wasted years that he failed dismally and must step down if not keep quiet?" And another one said, "Have you asked the people of this country if they want Mashatile as a president, or they want Malema, or Steenhuisen, or Mashaba, or NDZ for the matter? What gives you the authority to decide for millions of South Africans?" Now that's a good question right there. Another tweet said, "You think Paul Mashatile will build Daddy another fire pool and chicken run? I see you." Shots were really fired. At 80, your father still claiming fake positions. Please sit this one out. What's your take on this particular matter, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.